Gamers, get ready! Today we're featuring the EPICJOY SummerCart 64, the ultimate game card for your Nintendo 64 console. This isn't just a regular game card. The SummerCart 64 comes preloaded with over 5,400 plus classic games, including support for 64DD titles, all in one powerful device. Here's what makes it a must-have for retro gamers. 32GB SD card included, with enough space for your favorite ROMs. 6TB speed chip for smooth performance. Multi-region support. Play games from anywhere. Automatic save backup so your progress is always safe. RTC functionality for real-time clock features. 64DD hardware emulation. Experience games that were once out of reach. And it even supports microSD cards up to 2 TB for massive storage potential. Compatible with the original Nintendo 64, this SummerCart 64 is the perfect way to relive your childhood classics while enjoying modern reliability. And the best part? You can get it now for just $58.66. That's an incredible deal for thousands of games in one card. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to buy your EPICJOY SummerCart 64 today and start gaming instantly. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech and gaming recommendations. Stay tuned for more.